All right, guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. What you are seeing right here, guys, I am getting ready to declutter my cabinets, basically declutter my whole kitchen and organize it because it's just me now here. My daughter left about a year ago, and it's time for me to declutter a lot of my dishes. They're old dishes, they need to be in the garbage, and I'm only keeping a little bit of stuff. I have a lot of stuff sitting on my cabinets that I'm going through, seeing what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to get rid of right now. Now, I have a whole lot of water bottles. I'm finna go through those in a minute. Some old dishes. These was my mother dishes. So I'm going to keep these for sure. So I only need about 8 plates, a couple of cups, a couple of, just a couple of this, a couple of that. And the rest of it, I'm getting rid of it. I'm going to see if anybody want any extra dishes or cups or glasses or anything. And then I am going to throw the rest away. That's what I'm doing. So first of all, let's give an honor to God, who's the head of my life. Can't do this life without him. Sure can't. And I hope all you guys out there is blessed and highly favored. All that up top, guys, those are my water bottles. I mean, I got tons of them. So I'm going to go through those and see what I'm going to keep or not. So I'm gonna get started over here. I already done started down here, this cabinet down here. Let me show you guys that I organized my plasticware. I threw away a lot of plasticware. Those are the only two containers back there. I'm keeping my bigger bowls. If they don't have cracks in them, I would keep those. My pitcher, my exercising water bottle. In the summertime, I use this a lot. This is really huge. I fill this up with water and drink one of these a day in the summertime. So I got my crock pot back there and stuff like that, guys. So I'm starting on this one right there and putting some stuff down here, and yeah, just getting rid of some stuff, guys. I don't need all of this stuff anymore. No, I don't. So stay tuned, and I will show you throughout the day how far I done got. So stay tuned. All right, guys, in the middle of organizing, I decided to stop and have me some lunch, and I made me some peaches and cottage cheese. So after I eat lunch, I will continue and show you guys how far I done got. Oh my God, I done threw away so much stuff, guys. I mean, hey, that I didn't even need. But I did keep a lot of water bottles because some of the water bottles is my daughter's. So she'll be coming over here to collect those. So this is my lunch. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys what I'm having for lunch. Something really light. And I put a little black pepper on top of that. So stay tuned, and I'll show you guys how far I got. All right, guys, I am back. Got rid of a lot of stuff. This is the cabinet with my plates, saucers, and bowls in it. So what I did, I put my platters way up top there, a couple of bowls and some plasticware that I'm going to keep. Some plastic plates and glass plates that I'm going to keep, and that container with the green top on it, that was my mother's also, so I am going to keep that also. And then I put some saucers on the other side. I don't need no more than 4 saucers. That is good with me. 3 bowls is fine with me, and some more plasticware and some glassware right there. Now that's all I need in my plate section. Now what I want to do with this, I'm done for now in here until I go to my dollar store, and I want to get those racks that I can sit right up in there, and I can stand my plates and saucers up in there like so. Now over here to where my glasses was at, so I did keep some coffee cups and some cups for my grandkids. Yeah, so this cabinet these cups right here is for my grandkids when they come over, and those are for adults if they want, you know, some beverages, pops, juice, or whatever. I have glasses for them. And then I have my smaller glasses up top. I had to adjust the cabinet, so I moved the not cabinet, adjust the stand in the cabinet, and I brought that up just a little bit. So that is how my glass cabinet look, where my glasses is at. And I don't need no more than that. I probably go buy a couple of more wine glasses to put up there, and that will be it for that right there. Now just coming down, you know, still got my machine connected to my sink, getting ready to wash another load of clothes. My washing machine is on the other side. You know, I think I showed you guys my washing machine. It works just like a regular machine. You just connect it to your sink. Now over here, the bottom of this, what I did down here, I put all my water bottles down here, because this right here, this cabinet will be used quite a lot, grabbing different water bottles out for the summer. You know, when I get dressed sometimes or go out, I like to get a water bottle that's going to kind of match my outfit. So that's something, that's just something I do. You know, I showed you guys earlier. Then I put the plasticware there that I am going to keep. But yes, I couldn't get rid of too many. I got rid of some water bottles, maybe about 10 of them, and I kept the rest. So that is this right here. So that is done. So I did 3 cabinets today. I got to work on this. I probably move this around, find somewhere to put this, because I'm going to go get another microwave, and then I will probably get rid of my toaster oven there. Now right here, my seasoning station, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go on Amazon and order some little tiny glass bottles and put labels on them, and then put all my seasonings in there, so I can make both of these shelves look uniform. So that's what I'm gonna do there. So I'm gonna put an order in and wait for that to come back, so I can take care of all my seasonings over here. So that's about it for this video right here. Oh, I'm far from done in my kitchen, so I will be making another video to show you guys what I will be working on next, and that will be organizing my the bottom of my sink, the cabinets down here. That's where my pots are at over here. So we're going to be working on these 2 cabinets right here, and pulling everything out of there and reorganizing that. That will be the next video, and then go through and organize my food also. Yeah, somebody asked me about this detergent. I buy a couple of bottles of these from Sam's Club. These are great, guys. And what I do is fill some of these up right here. This is some good dishwashing liquid. If you have a Sam's Club card, invest in some. You don't have to buy a lot of dishwashing liquid if you don't want to, but every time I go to the dollar store, I just picks it up anyhow. So you guys stay safe out there. Keep your head up, keep the faith, and stay strong. Most important of all, like I said, I know I said it, but stay safe. And I will connect with you guys in my next video. And hey, don't forget about the giveaway that is coming up very, very soon. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, bye-bye, guys. See you soon.